Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, you know that old saying, I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. Mongo got to thinking, why not make a 10-foot socket extension? That way Mongo can work on the stuff Mongo no want to touch. Of course, there's probably good reason no one make a 10-foot socket extension. Mongo gonna figure out what reason that is. Start by putting this 5-inch socket extension in there and cutting her in half. Oh no, Mongo broke his toy. Socket extension was 5 inches. That little bar is 2 foot 3 inches. Big bar is 7 foot 4 inches. That should make 10 foot. Clean all these ends up. Foot, 1/8 of an inch. You know, it's one thing to have a big extension, but can you use it? This car been in a flood. Mongo don't want to touch it. So we're going to try the new 10-foot extension and see if it take off the wheel lug nuts. Get our 19mm socket. Fits on real good. And we put our ratchet on. Fits good. Now the extension 10 foot even. Got a couple bends in her and twisted right up. That's why they don't make 10-foot long extensions. Just cause your tool bigger does not make it more useful. Life lessons by Mongo. Yeah, that's a lot easier without that 10-foot extension. Yeah, bigger not always better. Overall, Mongo impressed. Mongo impressed. The welds didn't break. Mongo real glad put these little dot line on there so you could see how much it twists. Of course, this is just mild steel. It not tool steel. It not hardened. It was fun. Mongo gonna keep it. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of goofy stuff. Mongo, thank you.